Matawa sa interviewer na 'to.
One piece of advice that you can tell your younger self, what would it be?
Oh, one piece of advice.
Yeah.
One piece of advice that I would tell my younger self.
Mhm. Yung may
That's
siguro
a very
yung
difficult.
younger self mo na I would say that kung meron ka mang time na almost you wanted to give up na,
Mm.
what would you tell that self?
Like to have faith. I would tell my younger self to keep the faith, keep on climbing, or parang, there's always gonna be another
Parang
mountain.
ano 'to
There's
lyrics
always gonna wanna, you're always gonna wanna make it move. Hindi, pero totoo yun. Parang, may mga times
Naging
before. Hindi, parang I want to tell myself that, parang, I can make it through the rain.
wow!
Um,
Naging Mariah Carey.
Hindi, sa totoo lang, like seriously speaking, I wanna tell myself na keep on fighting the battles, keep on being tough with all the struggles, all the hardships. Kasi at the other side
Mhm.
of those struggles that my younger self will face is yung the benefits. Like you will reap the benefits of your hard work, and then you'll
Mhm.
enjoy the a brighter future, a better life. Kasi
Mhm.
syempre, when you're younger, you don't know that you're gonna experience all of this, diba? Living in a country where you're gonna be accepted as you are, where
Yeah.
you're gonna be treated as equal. You're gonna be a citizen, and you're gonna be able to provide for your family. You're gonna be able to buy a house. You're gonna, like the success that hindi mo pa nakikita is, on the other side of all those obstacles na kakaharapin mo bilang nurse.
Mhm.
Yun, so parang just you wait, and you'll be proud of who you will become in the future. So just enjoy the life that you have now. So enjoy ka lang self, parang gano'n, enjoy ka lang self ka.
Enjoy ko lang
Huwag
sila.
masyadong dibdibin. Just enjoy the life, and parang siyempre
Mhm.
parang minsan ka lang dadaan sa 20s, parang just make the most out of it,
Yeah, totoo
and
yan.
be good.
Totoo
Mm.
yan. Ako, I would tell myself, my younger self, love yourself first.
Mm.
Yun lang. Love yourself first.
That's enough.
Enough yun
Period.
for me.
Totoo naman, I believe in that, kasi pag you love yourself, everything will follow naman.
Yes. Mm.
Success, the money.
Inside joke. Inside joke. So, namasyal na tayo sa Scotland. Siya po ang challenging na naging bisita namin.
Bakit? Ay, grabe.
Hindi naman. Hindi siya challenging na in a bad way. But, sobrang nagmamadali siya. So, from our place in Aberdeen, so sa kami na Aviemore the next day. Tuwing pagising namin, as in everyday bagong city. Di na broke cause we made it. So, namasyal na tayo sa Scotland. Aberdeen, Aviemore, and Edinburgh. How do you find the Scottish people?
Ano sila, friendly sila, no? Approachable.
Very, yeah.
Very approachable. Tapos, like, babatiin ka nila kapag nakasalubong ka nila sa streets.
Mhm.
Para siyang similar to sa mga countryside ng Ireland. Very
Oh,
chill.
good. You don't find them snob. The face lang, no?
Hindi, oo. Smile
pero
sila,
very friendly yan. Tapos, how would you describe Scotland?
Stunning, tas breathtaking. Especially nung nagro-road trip tayo sa from Aberdeen papunta sa Aviemore, and then Aviemore to Edinburgh.
Yeah.
Like, siguro 80% ang dinaanan natin, napapawawa ko. Kami,
Yeah.
parang wow, ganda.
Actually, sumakit po yung paa niya. Sinakangap siya.
Hindi, pero it's very
Ganda.
beautiful.
Yeah, maganda
Ganda
talaga.
siya. Parang siya Ireland, but times 10.
Or level up.
Level up.
Level up na Ireland. Bali, next time kami naman ang pupunta. We'll try. After our passport. Next.
Go.
After our GB passport. Last na question ko. Sa dami na activity na pinakita namin sa iyo, our favorite and yung places. Ano yung pinaka-favorite activity mo na ginawa natin?
To be honest, nagsimula nung pagdating sa Aviemore, sa Aberdeen, sobrang naging memorable na experiences. Kasi ang mabait kong host.
Grabe.
Oo,
Touch
saka...
ako.
Hindi mo masyado
Huwag mo masyado, baka maraming dumalo.
Tapos, very thoughtful yung, talagang you made us, or you made me feel very welcome dito sa Scotland.
Ay, thank you.
Especially sa home, and then sa pag-aasikaso ng food and everything. Tapos parang you made sure na I get to see, I get to enjoy the beauty of Scotland, and kung ano yung mga na-experience nyo, share nyo sa akin. And so I'm very grateful and very thankful ako sa experience from the start. And I really want to thank you guys na for this this moment, this
Wow.
journey.
Kasi,
so, para lahat, all through.
parang lahat daw favorite niya. So, just to give you some context, nag-ano kami, potion making. Tapos sumakit kami din sa Cairngorm, sa may, sa Mountain Railway.
Ayun, very ano yun.
Tapos, syempre, drive. Yun, ako kasi nag-enjoy sa drive. Sa lahat ng ginawa natin, yun yung top, pinaka-top mo. Pinaka-favorite.
Yung pinaka-top ng bundok na
Yung bundok.
minus 5 degrees tayo.
Nagulat din kami doon na minus.
Alam mo bakit favorite yun? Kasi sa Scotland, sa Ireland, walang walang ski resort.
Okay.
So, nung pagpunta ko doon, parang feeling ko, nasa Scotland ako, pero feeling ko parang ako nasa Switzerland or Finland. Parang may snow, tapos
Ganda
ang
experience.
ganda, tapos nag-coffee tayo sa taas, tapos wala lang, chill lang, saya.
So, naging proud ako naman na taga dito. Mas naging proud kasi sabi niya it's a combination of Switzerland at Finland. Pero kami, nasa one country na.
Totoo.
Yeah. Pero pupunta pa rin kami doon.
Ireland.
Sa
Sa
Ireland, sa
Switzerland.
Switzerland, Finland. Gusto pa rin namin pumasyal. Tapos sasabihin namin, ay, nasa Scotland na pala. Hindi, joke lang.
Hindi, iba
So,
sila ng beauty, pero in Scotland kasi parang you get to enjoy all these things all together in one country.
Yeah. So, yun lang. Thank you din sa pagpunta at pagkulit sa amin. Welcome ka dito. Pwede ka ulit bumalik.
Record niya na.
Okay, so yun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe din kayo kay ano ba tawag sa'yo sa
Nurse
TikTok?
Ventura. Ay, Boyet in Ireland.
Boyet in Ireland.
Nurse Ventura sa
YouTube.
YouTube channel.
Nurse
Follow nyo ako
Ventura.
guys for OFW stories dito sa Europe, and then also sa life namin sa Ireland. Share namin doon.
Ako naman, follow for more sa Scotland diaries ko. Through my lens. And thank you guys for watching!
Thank you so much for having me. Such a pleasure.
Thank you then.